Imagine a world where privacy is paramount, where your financial transactions are shielded from prying eyes. A world where you can conduct your business without fear of censorship or surveillance. This is the world that Beam Crypto seeks to create. So, how old is Beam Crypto? Before we dive into that, let's explore why it's even a question worth asking. In today's digital age, privacy has become a luxury. Our online activities are constantly tracked, our data is collected and analyzed, and our financial transactions are monitored. This erosion of privacy has led to a growing demand for decentralized solutions that can protect our personal information. Beam Crypto is one such solution. It's a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that utilizes Mimblewimble, a groundbreaking cryptographic protocol. Mimblewimble allows for highly confidential transactions, making it nearly impossible for anyone to track or trace your funds. The age of Beam Crypto. Now, let's answer the burning question, how old is Beam Crypto? Well, it's still relatively young compared to other cryptocurrencies. Beam was launched in January 2019, making it a relatively recent addition to the crypto landscape. Why age matters in crypto? Why does the age of a cryptocurrency matter? Well, in the fast-paced world of crypto, age often correlates with maturity and stability. Older cryptocurrencies have had more time to prove themselves, build a community, and establish partnerships. However, being younger doesn't necessarily mean a cryptocurrency is less viable. In fact, newer projects can sometimes have advantages, such as cutting-edge technology and a fresh perspective. Beam's maturity and future. While Beam Crypto may be younger than some of its peers, it has shown significant promise. It has a dedicated community, a growing number of partnerships, and a strong focus on privacy. Beam's developers are constantly working to improve the platform and expand its functionality. As Beam continues to mature, it's likely to attract more attention from both individuals and businesses seeking privacy-preserving solutions. Its potential for widespread adoption is significant. So, how old is Beam Crypto? While it's still a relatively young cryptocurrency, it has demonstrated its potential to become a major player in the privacy-focused crypto space. With its innovative technology and commitment to protecting user privacy, Beam is poised for continued growth and success. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.